By the end of the video, we'll know about home workout for a stronger back, quick and effective exercises. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a home workout routine that's perfect for strengthening your back. We all know a strong back is crucial for good posture, preventing injuries, and improving overall physical health. So let's get started with these quick and effective exercises to target your back muscles. First up, we have the good old push-ups. They're a tried and tested exercise that not only targets the core, but also works on your back muscles. Start with 10 push-ups, making sure to keep your core tight and your body straight. Next up, let's move to pull-ups. These can be done at home if you have a sturdy bar or door frame to use. Pull-ups are fantastic for building up a back strength and work on the lats and rhomboids. Start with 5 reps and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the exercise. Finally, we're ending our workout with some planks. Planks are an excellent way to strengthen your entire core, including your lower back muscles. Hold a plank for 30 seconds per set, making sure to keep your body straight and engaged throughout the exercise. Remember, consistency is key here. Aim for 3 sets of each exercise every other day for optimal results in strengthening your back muscles at home. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.